In our lesson here, we have the ordered list. We're going to play around with the ordering of the list item elements. There is nothing much in this CSS, only font size and width are set. Now, here is how it currently looks on our web page. By default, an ordered list starts from a numeral 1. You can determine a custom start point by using the start attribute. When you create a list, you can choose to start counting from a specific number. This number is always an Arabic number, such as 1, 2, 3, and so on. For example, if you start your list with the letter D or the Roman numeral 4, you need to specify that the starting number should be 4. To do this, use the start option and set its value to 4. If I wanted to start from C, I will set my start number to be 3 because 3 is the third letter. Now, this option is useful when you want to add items to an existing list and keep the numbering consistent. Like I said, just always remember to use Arabic numerals as your starting number. Now, in our example here, I have set the starting point to 7, so the list will start from 7 and keep on numbering from there. We can use the reversed attribute. This Boolean attribute specifies that the list items are in reversed order, so from high to low. We can also specify the current ordinal value of each list item using the value attribute. So instead of just setting the start, you can individually set the value of each using the value attribute. Now, similar to the start attribute, the value attribute only accepts numbers as its value. So even if your list is displayed as Roman numerals or letters, you're going to use Arabic numbers as its values. So it works the same way. When you set the numbering of a particular item, the items that continue after it will continue from the value you set. So if I set an item to 20, the items that come after it will continue from there, 21, 22, 23. So in summary, the value attribute lets you set the starting value for each list item in an ordered list. And from there, the numbering will continue. So in our example, if we set the third item to 7, the numbering continues from there. The same thing applies if we set the first value to 10. From 10, the next value is 11. But remember that the third element, we set it manually to 7. So that's why it is 7. And then from there on, the numbering continues naturally after 7.